Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix SteelSeries device not in engine. So basically what you'll need to do is open up your SteelSeries engine and go to the settings. After that, click on about and right here check for the updates. You'll need to wait a little bit, but as you can see, now I'm on the latest version. So if that doesn't help you, what you'll need to do is change the ports that you plug your headset or your device of the SteelSeries. So make sure to try different ports on your computer. And if that doesn't help you, you may need to go to the device manager. So basically go to the Microsoft search, type device manager. Then right here, you'll see the human interface devices. Click on those one. And right here, you'll see the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL or other SteelSeries devices. So just right click it, click on properties, click on driver, and click on install driver. And right here, you'll see that delete the driver software for this device and click on install. After that, just open up your SteelSeries GG app again and see if that fixed your problem. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.